Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss second question of exercise 6.2 of class 7th. After that we will discuss angle sum property of a triangle with the help of an activity. So start our video with question number 2. In question number 2 we have to find out the value of the unknown interior angle x in the following figure. So as you can see here that in question number first we have to find out the value of unknown exterior angle, whereas in the second question we have to find out the value of unknown interior angle. So our first question is, in this question a triangle is given and two of its interior opposite angles are 50 degree and x, as you can see here, and its exterior angle is 150 degree 15 degrees. So we apply exterior angle property here, as we all know that value of exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. So 115 degree is equal to x plus 50 degree, and its reason is by exterior angle property. Now for find out the value of x, we have to shift 50 degree from the right side to the left side. As we move 50 degree from the right side to the left side, we have 115 minus 50 in the left side and x in the right side. Now we are going to subtract 50 degree from 150 degree. After subtraction we have 65 degree and it is the value of x. Now move to our second part of this question. In the second part it is given in the question that 70 degree and x are the interior opposite angle of a triangle and 100 is the exterior angle. So we are going to apply exterior angle property here. So first we write 100 degree and its value is equal to 70 degree plus x degree by exterior angle property. Now we are going to transfer 70 degree from the right side to the left side. So we have x is equal to 100 minus 70 and here we have 30 degree. It is the value of x for the second question. In this way you can solve remaining parts of the second questions. Now move to our second topic. Our second topic is angle sum property of a triangle. First thing that we have to know that what angle sum property state. So angle sum property state that the total measurement of the three angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Now you can see in the screen that ABC is a triangle in which angle A, angle B and angle C are the interior angle of this triangle. So according to this property, sum of angle A, angle B and angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now we verify this statement with the help of an activity. For verify angle sum property of a triangle, first cut a triangle from a piece of paper, or you can here I cut this triangle from a plain sheet of a paper. You can also use colored sheet as per your choice. So as you can see here in this triangle 1, 2 and 3 are the interior angle of this triangle, and we have to verify that sum of the angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. For this we are going to cut this triangle into 3 pieces such that we obtain its 3 angles separately. So now you can see here that with the help of a scissor I cut this triangle into 3 pieces, and each piece have one of its angle. Now arrange these pieces in this way so that all the angles are coincide at a particular point. For this you can draw a point here and put the vertices of all the angles in this point. So first I am going to put here vertex of angle 1. Then I am going to put here vertex of angle 2, and at the last I am going to put here vertex of angle 3. Now what you observe here, you can see here that these 3 angles altogether makes a straight line. It means their sum is sum of angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 is 180 degree. In this way we can verify that angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 makes a straight line, so sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Now move to our next exercise. Our next exercise is 6.3. In this exercise we have in the first question we have to find the value of the unknown x in the following diagram. So move to our first diagram. In this diagram you can see here that ABC is a triangle given here, and two of its interior angles are 50 degree and 60 degree, and we have to find out its third angle whose measurement is not given here. So for this we apply here angle sum property of a triangle. According to this property, sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So applying this property, and we have 50 degree plus x plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. First of all we add 50 degree and 60 degree in the left side, so we have 110 degree plus x, and it is equal to 180 degree. For find out the value of x, we have to remove 110 degree from the left side and for this we shift 110 degree to the right side, and here we have x is equal to 180 degree minus 110, and we have 70 degree. It is the value of unknown x. Now move to our second part of this question. In the second part, a triangle PQR is given here, and it is clear from the diagram that measurement of angle Q is 30 degree, measurement of angle P is 90 degree, and we have to find out the measurement of angle R. For this we again apply here angle sum property of a triangle. So according to this property, sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. First of all we are going to add 90 and 30 degree in the left side, and we have 120 degree in the left side, and in the right side we have 180 degree. Now remove 120 degree from the left side. For this we shift this in the right side, and we have 60 degree. It is the value of the unknown x. Now move to our third part. In the third part, it is given here that XYZ is a triangle. in which measurement of x is 30 degree, measurement of y is 110 degree, and we have to find out the measurement of angle z. For this we apply angle sum property, and we have 30 plus 110 plus x is equal to 180 degree. First we are going to add 30 and 110. So we have 140 degree in the left side, 140 plus x in the left side, and 180 degree in the right side. Now shift 140 degree from the left side to the right side, and we have x is equal to 180 minus 140 degree, and our final answer is 40 degree. In this way you can solve rest of the part of this question. Now move to our second question. In this second question we have to find the value of unknown x and y in the following diagrams. So here you can see diagram of the first part of the second question. In this diagram a triangle is given here and its exterior angle is 120 degree, and we have to find out the value of unknown x and y. For this first we are going to apply the formula, the property of the exterior angle of a triangle. As we all know that according to this property, value of exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So we are going to write here 120 degree, and it is equal to 50 degree plus x. For find out the value of x, first we remove 50 degree from the right side. For this we shift this to the left side, and we have 120 minus 50 degree in the left side and x in the right side. Now subtract 50 from the 120, and we have 70 degree in the left side. It means value of x is 70 degree. So from the first property we find the value of x. Now we are going to find out the value of y. For this we apply angle sum property of a triangle. According to this property, sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So as we already find out the value of x and it is 70 degree, so we are going to replace x from the 70 degree and we write y as it is, and on the right hand side we write 180 degree. Now first we are going to sum 50 and 70 degree. So we have 120 degree plus y is equal to 180. Y is equal to 180 minus 120, and we have 60 degree. So value of x is 70 degree and value of y is 60 degree. Now move to second part of this question. In the second part, our triangle is given here, and we have to find out the value of unknown x and y. So as you can see here that y and 90 degree makes pair of a vertically opposite angle, and as we all know that the vertically opposite angles are equal in measurement. So from here we can conclude that value of y is equal to 90 degree by the property of vertically opposite angle. So here we have the value of y, it is 90 degree. Now apply angle sum property in this triangle, and we have 50 degree plus y plus x, and it is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. Now we are going to replace y from 90 degree as it that we calculated above. First we are going to add 90 and 50, so we have 140 degree plus x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 140, and we have 40 degree. It is the value of x. In this way you can solve rest of the part of this question.